Today I am going to make puris and it will be ready in less than 10 minutes. Let's see how it's made. We need for this one packed tortilla bread. This is simple tortilla bread and I have taken the smaller size. I have uh, heated the oil to 140 degree centigrade, 140 or 160. So we don't need very high heat, just medium heat, and put the tortilla in it. It puffs up immediately, and we can crisp it according to our taste. The what I found that if we crisp it, it will give us taste of puri, but if we keep it little bit lighter, then it will give us the taste of bhatura. So this is a two-in-one recipe, and really it was very easy to make and very tasty and quick also, because within 10 minutes you can prepare the puris and take it with your keema, chane or halwa, whatever you like. So enjoy, prepare this puri, and let me know in comments how it was.